Welcome! In front of me is a Oppo Neo Pad, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and locate your Do Not Disturb somewhere from the toggles right here. Now there is two pages to it, so if you don't see it on the first one, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional page. But for me, the toggle is visible on the first page. Once you see it, you want to hold it the first time around and select More. And as you can see, this quickly takes us to the settings where you can customize how the Do Not Disturb mode will function. Now, because this is a tablet, there is a limited amount of settings in here. So we can set up a schedule right here. There's pre-made ones. So if you want to use a schedule, you just toggle it on like so. You can also add new ones by clicking right here on this plus. Then we have people, which allows you who can call you or message you. And below that we have applications that will be able to bypass this mode. Now we also have the last toggle right here, silent media, when Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. That's completely up to you. Now once everything is set to your liking, simply tap on the toggle and you're good to go. Now for people that want to use the schedule, just make sure that the schedule little switch right there was enabled, and that's all you need to do. The device will then be turning on the toggle itself on its own, so you don't need to do anything. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.